Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. Today we got a little plumbing job. I know people just love plumbing. This is a gas manifold for a fire feature at a resort, and the problem is when they originally installed it, it worked okay, but the flames aren't high enough. I took a look at it and talked to the original designer, and we kind of worked out a plan. What happened is that it's got a 1-inch feed, natural gas, and then it drops immediately down to a 3/8, goes through a valve, comes out and goes through a flex hose to a series of T's to feed the 5 burners, and from the T's it drops down to 1/4 inch. And looking at the label on the hose, a 12-inch piece of 1/4 inch flex hose, perfectly straight, no bends in it, will feed 40,000 BTUs. Of course, these all have bends in them, so it's all dropping. So we're going to make a new manifold, 1 inch, install that, and then we're going to feed the burners with 3/8 inch hose, and a 12-inch piece of 3/8 with no bends in it will feed 140 or 110,000 BTUs. We're going to have some bends in it. The burners are capable of handling 70,000 BTUs. We're going to put a ball valve on each burner. Right now it's just a standard feed, so we can balance the system. So without further ado, let's start putting some together. Now everything I got here came from big box store, and I got pre-cut links, pre-threaded. It just sounded like too much work to, I don't have a threading machine. I got to do all my threading by hand, and in this situation it works out so I can feed everything off pre-cut links. I don't have to do anything fancy. So first up, 1-inch ball valve. That's our main shutoff. This does have to be modified, not the valve itself, but the handle. Right now, you know, standard ball valve. Problem is you'd have to move stuff out of the way to reach this to shut the gas off to the burners, and we want to be able to just stick a rod, have a rod that just sticks outside the feature and that we can turn. So there is another there are actually 2 other shutoffs on the system. So isn't necessary, but something that we're going to do anyways for less than $20. Good safety feature to have. So the way this is going to work, let me reposition you, and we'll lay this out and we'll see how everything's going to go together. Can't get it all in one shot, but there's one end. It's going to be about 6 feet long overall when we're all done, and but that's forgot to place the ball valves, so we get our shutoffs for each burner right in line there too. So black pipe, gas rated tape, gas rated thread sealant. So we'll go ahead and start screwing this together. Off camera, I took the level, put it on top of the T on the 1/2-inch flange, got it so it's level facing up. I want all these facing the same direction, or at least pretty close. They don't have to be perfect.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so we went ahead and did a pressure test on it. Just Schrader valve adapter to 1/2 inch. Went ahead and brought it up to 30 psi, actually 35. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Did a leak down test. We're all good. So this goes back in the drawer for the next time. Got to pressure test something. And this is ready to go. So we'll get this out in the truck, and thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of all future videos. And you can always, if you like what you saw today, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and you can always support us on Patreon. Thanks for watching.